I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel your Paramount subscription, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Paramount website and sign into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. Step 3. Manage subscription. In account settings, find the section labeled Manage Subscription or Billing. Click on it to view your subscription details. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Look for the option to cancel your subscription. This may be a button or link that says Cancel Subscription. Click it to proceed. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you accidentally click pause subscription instead of cancel, you might find yourself still billed next month. Double check your choice before confirming. I hope this helps you navigate the cancellation process easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.